Once the spike strips put a stop to the chase, the video shows Jeffrey Flynn in the stolen white truck open the driver's side door, sitting facing outward. Flynn has a weapon and fires it once at law enforcement from 3 agencies at the scene: Idaho State Police, the Lewis County Sheriff's Office, and Nez Perce Tribal Police. Flynn then gets out of the car unarmed with his hands up. Nearly 5 seconds pass, and for reasons that are still unclear, officers open fire on Flynn, who died at the scene. Despite the evidence in this dash cam video, the Idaho U.S. Attorney's Office declined to pursue charges against the tribal officer responsible for killing Flynn. The Lewis County prosecutor later charged one of the officers with voluntary manslaughter, but yesterday a magistrate judge ruled there was insufficient evidence for the case to move forward. The magistrate's ruling came after officers at the scene testified that tribal police fired more than 30 shots at Flynn. The prosecutor issued this statement to KXLY today. While disappointed in the outcome of the preliminary hearing, we respect the judge's decision in this matter. And the officer in question seems to have the support of Nez Perce Tribal Committee as well. A chairman in a written statement said the shooting was justified and wrote, "Flynn fired on them with a loaded rifle in the cab and they, officers, returned fire." While the video evidence does show Flynn fired a shot before he stepped out of the car, it also shows that he was unarmed with his hands above his head when he was shot to death.